Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can delete multiple photos on Instagram in one go. Earlier, this feature was available only for the business account, but now it is available for both the accounts, business as well as normal account. So for that, you have to go to the profile icon, click on the menu bar option here, go to your activities, photos and videos. So from here you can delete all your posts or any number of images or videos you want by down pressing on it like this. If I want to delete all these photos, I'll click on delete option here, or if you want to archive, there's also option for that. So in this way you can delete any of your posts. This was for the business account, but if you think there's nothing like this on normal account, then go to your normal account. Do the same thing with this. You'll see the same option here as well. Your activities, photos and videos. You can delete the videos by clicking on videos option, reels by clicking on reels option, and photos option. This is the normal account that I'm talking about. So you can do this as well. In this way, without the help of third-party apps, you can delete any number of posts from your Instagram account. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.